We have both first year and second year students that are in our class at the same time. We started out the beginning of the year doing what we call a practice panel, where the students are given a piece of sheet metal that they have to shape. We put a dent in it. We teach them how to fix the dent using body fillers. Then we jump to our first year are doing MIG welding. Then we're going to introduce them in the next couple of days to airbrushing as well. Our second year students are currently working on projects for this year's Detroit Autorama Custom Car Show. We submitted applications for 2 projects. One is a motorcycle, and then one is a custom, like adult go-kart that is the Gravedigger body on it.
Expectations in this class are different compared to most.
We grade the students individually, so we can have all different levels of ability, and we work with everybody individually. Yeah, you're learning, but it's also, we try to make it fun at the same time. We work all together as a happy group, all with the same common goal of just trying to get more experience and educate them on what it takes to fix a car.
The vibe of this class is like it's laid back. Stump doesn't really have a big policy on stuff. It's just like show up, get your work done, and be respectful to him.
It's honestly a very joyful and honestly playful mood, but then when we have to get to business, we get our work done as the best we can. Yeah, we love listening to music in here. It gets us all energetic.
We're kind of relaxed, but sometimes we do have a little goofy, Nissa and us will play around, We like to take the sanding dust, and sometimes we swish it at each other just to make our friends, angry.
The class focuses mainly on their passion for cars.
So we work really hard to get everybody to the best skill level that we can for that individual. Some students are here because they just have a love for cars.
I've always had a thing with working on cars. I've always liked the way a car's body looks, fast cars, sports cars. I've learned how to paint a car, I've learned how to primer it, I've learned how to do, sand it. There's a lot of certain things that you learn with painting a car that are I don't know, it's just you gotta take the class to learn it, but they're just really cool.
I enjoy doing all the little projects we get to do for Autorama, like a go-kart. Last year we took a race car and we did the design of that.
This is what students had to say about their experience in the auto class.
I get to learn so much from the welding, the washing, just all the different activities that we're doing. But so far it's been great, I love it. It's given me so many life skills. It's honestly changed my life a lot. I've learned so much from this class.
The reason you want to take auto collision and the CTE courses here at Pankow is learning basically online learning with Stump here. With taking auto body, you're learning the welding aspect, the airbrushing, and then also body work with Bondo.
I enjoy painting a car. That's always a fun thing to do.
I'd recommend this class for other students. It's one of the best classes out there. It's very fun to learn. It's easy to learn.